Hello students, how are you? I am Mr. Wandemagany, who is your mathematics teacher. Students, today we are into to see about mathematics for grade 11. This is a student textbook for grade 11 for Ethiopian students. This is a mathematics that depends upon new curriculum, which is very important for entrance exam as well as for a deep knowledge. Now, students, today we are interested to see about in grade 11 mathematics unit 1. Therefore, I have said that unit 1 deals about relation and function. Now, the main topic is relation and function. In this main topic, relation and function, there are the given subtopics. This 1.1 relations, 1.2 inverse of relations and their graphs. Also, we will learn in this topic about types of functions. Also, we will see about composition of functions. We will deal about inverse functions and their graphs, and also we will discuss about applications of relations and functions. Finally, we must summarize it, and finally we will do a review exercise. Okay, this is unit 1. Let's see about our topic. Okay, students, at unit 1 we have said that we must see, or we will discuss about relations and functions, the outcomes. That means after learning this lesson, a student must be able to have these things. The first one, generalize patterns. The student must generalize patterns using explicitly defined and recursively defined functions. And the student must be able to know the inverse of a given relation. The student must be able to know types of functions. The student must be able to now to recognize real values functions. The student will be able to know how to find composition of functions. The student will be able to now recognize inverse of function. The student will be sketch the graph of inverse functions. The student will be understand how to apply relations and functions in its real life situations, and the student will be appreciate the applications of relations, and functions in real life situations. Okay, students, the main contents of these lessons are the first one is relations. Then we will see about inverse of relations in their graphs. Then after this we will see about types of functions. After that we will see about composition functions. Then we will see about inverse functions and their graphs. We will also see about application of relation and functions, and the keywords. You must understand about keywords, which are very important, and we will summarize, and then we will do a review exercise. Now let's introduce some main points about relation and functions. This is introduction part. If you in your daily life you come across many patterns that characterize relationship between individuals, such as brother and sister, father and daughter, or son, teacher and student, etc. In mathematics also you come across many relationships, such as a line L is perpendicular to line M, number A is less than number B, number C is factor of a number D, etc. All of these things shows the relationship of two things. In this unit, the concept is about relations and functions that you have learned in unit 1 of grade 10 will be revised, and some special type of functions, such as power functions, absolute value functions, sigma functions, and the greatest integer functions and their properties will be discussed. In addition to this, some applications of relations and functions will be also considered. Okay, let's see about relations. In relation, the main things we will see is about domain and range. In this section, we will revise relations, domain, range of relations. We will revise about the definition of relation, about domain, and about range. Graphs of relations that are defined using numbers in the coordinate plane will also be considered. Activity 1.1. Number 1. Mention at least 5 different relationships between family members of a certain family. Number 2. The answers of this question shows that relation. You know that you can mention like this. It says mention at least 5 different relationships between your family members. You know that. For example, the son and father have a great relationship because father provides different materials that needed for the son, and mother has also a great relationship with the baby, that is by breastfeeding as well as caring for 9 months before born. And these are some of the relationships like that. You can mention that 5 relationships among your family. Number 2. Let A is the set containing elements 2, 3, and B is the set containing element A, B. Then number A, child, find all subsets of A cross B. Okay? Find all subsets of A cross B. And B, find the set of first and the set of second coordinates of all the sets in A. Okay, students, let us start our work. Okay, students, we have said at A, let A is the set containing the element 2, 3, and the B is what? The set that contains element A, B. Therefore, we are asked to find. We are asked to find, let's see, solution here. Okay, we are asked to find A cross B. Okay, how can we calculate A cross B? Follow here. A is the set containing, this is for A is the set containing, which A is equal to the set containing 2, 3, then 2, 3, and B, then cross product for this set with the set B. B contains AB. B contains AB. Now, therefore, the answer for this is, in doing cross product, we will pair 2 with A. The elements are order pair. Therefore, the order pair 2 with A, 2 with B, 2 with B. The order pair 3 with A, 3 with A. The order pair 3 with B, 3 with B. This is the answer, okay? This set is the answer. Therefore, set A has 2 elements, set B has 2 elements, then A cross product A cross B has 2 times 2 elements, which are 4 elements. You know that the elements of A cross B are the order pairs, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. Okay, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. These are elements. Therefore, 1 element, 2, 3, 4. The elements of A cross B is the set that contain order pairs. So the elements of A cross B set has order pairs. Okay, order pairs. What B says? Find the set of. It says this is solution for A. B, find the set of the first and the set of the second coordinates of all the sets in that's given calculated at A. Therefore, you are asked to find You are asked to find first and second coordinates. You are asked to find first and second coordinates. Okay. Therefore, you are asked to find first coordinates first. First coordinates of this is that's calculated at A. That means A cross B. Okay, first coordinates of A cross B are, in each order pair, the first entry. In this order pair, the first coordinate is now 2. 2. In this order pair also 2. Then 2 is already taken here. From order pair that contains 3 and A, just you take 3. Therefore, these are first coordinates. Therefore, it's enough. Therefore, we can say 2 and 3. Okay, what are second coordinates? Second coordinates. What are second coordinates in A cross B? The second coordinates in A cross B are A, B. Here A is repeated, B is repeated. Therefore, A and B. A and B. Okay. Therefore, in cross product sets, this is its relation. This is its relation. When we say relation, that is set that relates things. When we say relation, means there are two things are very important. To have a relation, more than one thing is considered. Good students. This much is enough for today. See you next period with another video lesson. This is the first video lesson for grade 11, Unit 1. Thank you. Goodbye.